Have we fallen into a refrigerator? There's ice everywhere. We are in Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth. Wah! Antarctica! Look! Oh! They sway from side to side when walking. So cute! Let's check out this animal.
The world is amazing!
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet, activate!
Let's check out what this is.
A small head.
Let's check out what this is.
A large stomach. Flat flippers. Short feet. Penguin. A penguin lives in cold Antarctica. It has a large body and short feet and is a kind of birds that cannot fly.
The little penguin is adorable. It looks different from Mommy and Daddy Penguin because it hasn't molted its feathers. Molting the feathers? A little penguin has gray coat. When a little penguin grows up, it molts its feathers to replace with a new coat. The new coat protects the penguin from the cold. I see. It's just like wearing a thick coat to keep warm during cold season. That's right. Penguins will not feel cold if there is no snowstorm. The snowstorm is coming. What should we do? Don't worry. Penguins have solutions. A snowstorm is coming. How can penguins keep themselves warm? A. Hide in a cave. B. Huddle together. C. Drink warm water. That's right. You are right. When a snowstorm is coming, penguins gather and huddle together to keep themselves warm and wait until the snowstorm is over. Great! The snowstorm is over.
Oh, yeah!
The penguin fell in the water. Don't worry, penguins are excellent swimmers. They look for food in the sea. Wow! Penguins can swim! Let's check it out. Get penguins swimming and catch the krill ahead. You have caught the krill. You're great! Wow, there's so much krill! And let's catch the krill! Oh no! The seal is coming! Get penguins swimming away before the seal catches them! Keep going! Let's catch some more krill! Great job! You have caught so much krill! Quacky, what have you learned about the penguin? Oh! Penguins molt their feathers to replace with new coats when they grow up. They huddle together to get through snowstorms. Penguins jump into the cold sea to catch the krill. You're right. Which medal should the camel get? Medal for Master of Heat. Medal for Overlord of the Sky. Medal for Master of Cold. Medal for Master of Cold. Penguins have thick feathers so they can swim in the icy ocean. This medal for Master of Cold goes to the penguin. Next, let's take some practice. Let's try to find the penguin. 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 Which are parts of a penguin's body? Head. Body. Feet. Penguin. A snowstorm is coming. What should the penguins do? You're right. They should huddle together to keep warm. What does a little penguin look like? You're right. A little penguin has gray coat. What does a penguin like to eat? A penguin likes to eat krill.